99% of people get distracted by loud noises. So why do we get distracted? The part of our brain that processes voices is also responsible for mental and physiological processes. We get distracted by random noises because they compete with other signals to be processed by our brain. And because our brain has capacity for multitasking, we get distracted by random noises because they compete with other signals to be processed by our brain. The sound annoys us when its volume is same or louder as a regular speech. If someone is talking and he's in another team and talking about another things, we will get distracted so bad. We do not get distracted by not native language. However, we may be distracted by not native language if it's very loud. Some of us are prone to be distracted by random noises than others. For example, introverts, they harder can concentrate in a loud audience rather than extroverts because their body differently reacts on external stimuli. So what we can do in order not to get distracted by random noises? The answer is white noise. White noise helps us to concentrate on a work and not get distracted to everything that happens around. It decreases our ability to recognize the speech. That's why even if someone talks, we less understanding that. There are a bunch of services on internet that generate the white noise. I will put description on few websites where you can download or listen the white noise. You even can mix white noise with nature sounds like wave sounds, rain sounds, bird sounds. Thank you for watching. I wish this video will help you to be more concentrated, and I'm gonna listen my white noise.